Sangena, Sangena, hey, Sangena. Hi, famies. Welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. Don't forget that we are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our homes. And then what? We try and fail and we never fail to try, okay? Subscribe, like, comment, share the video. Let's get straight to it. Today we are making breakfast. It's been a while. It's been a while. What's our king? Lena ba mpuditse ba re letsoa ka magobe, letsoa ka melacha. Ka lebaka la gore content a breakfast a so ke mo o to khatha molacha. A o sana motho a tshwantse a tswe molacha ka molacha. Molacha ke dijo tsa maabane. Leftovers while there's content. So I showcased my thingy. You saw this palani, there's bread, there is garlic butter there. We have our mushrooms that we're going to cook, and it will never look like a poison. Anyway, thank you very much for those who have subscribed. May God bless you. Continue to support the channel. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Now, let's cook eggs. All right? We're gonna le jambi shoring. Ke mo tsele nyobola. Le jambi shor le nyoko bona mara bona a re le lat ke le nyaka le nkganyana ke tlo le happy and never so because of Aramat is the head of the house in this house, so we use it. I mean, imagine cooking eggs with salt. Woo! It's like it's like that. Because I don't want to be red flagged, okay? So anyway, I'm beating up the eggs. We're doing breakfast. Today, I was like, you know what? Let me be a good girl and do some breakfast. A little bit of some garlic flakes there. Get some garlic flakes for taste. Today, Mara, thou shall be forgiven, okay? I don't like showing off the brains because, wow, they are not paying us. Okay, sharp. Okay, namala. I put my garlic butter. I don't cook eggs with cooking oil. Nah, that can never be me, okay? Femi. You can't have this content and still do dilo tsa go go tseleng. Ngwanyana em mafura ke eng? Mafura ke o dia magwinya. La ja mafura wa tsa re ke le namara la ka senyalwe lena. Hai lena ba ka se lenyale mojita. Ngwanyana wa ka se udumele. Anyway, ke mala ke a dira today I can go dira mai. And please go dira mai o make sure mai ya wa be ama brown. Lena ba mpuditse gore le dia mai ama brown o ka reng ke sephaphatha tsa ba sephaphatha a ke tsaka sephaphatha ke gore le ila one ba ka o fosha ka lona o ka tswa sepetela ba ka o kira ambulance batho ba ambulance ba o di evaja ba o butsetsa moya ba o dia moya o suffocate because wena o di ile le la batata di amaya ma right and not today ke nyaka ale ka mogo cause my uncle wa rata ale ka mogo wa kwishisha ke a dirile molao a cooperate dilo di a cooperate o le motho ka relationship tshwantse o cooperate be a woman or a male tshwantse o cooperate o ska kra le ngwanyana a gwara ba phone a shetse ba re baby I'm not around. Imagine thoya bothata a le kwelena. Anyway, ke mola ke a dia ke thoma mushroom ya rena mola wa ke tshopa ga monate ke iketletse dilo relationship ke ntshwa a bona me wantcha di true colors wa ke thoba wa ke popa agere batho baka famies ntate brother ha ono tsena lo ring hindota mina kwai kai ta khole juice na motho so oba gentle the same way umbona ke khathang mushroom go khatha with care ke iketetse mushroom. I'm not in a hurry. I know this is a sensitive veggie. If it's a veggie, it's clearly visible that is my mushroom. And then there's cooking oil. That is where now you can put in cooking oil. But then alternatively still, you can also do it with butter. But then preferably my eggs I prefer with garlic butter, and then this one's obviously mafura ukana ba latla ba abana stress ba wa latla ka ra mafura, and make sure that you don't overcook them. I get rutile ka taba mushroom or a very well an overcooked mushroom looks like a poison that when we eat, we're supposed to be singing hymns and songs and say, Father Lord, I surrender all to you. We don't want to eat and singing praises, please. Re tshogetse maphelo a rena gore re ka motho a fetša o ja mo namile ka ba gore wa ba re sala ija dijo ja mamma namile ke moka reng dijo jajwa I bereke ka mokgwa wa peye dilo tša botse. Let your mushroom look like a mushroom. It must never look like a poison, something that will kill us. Please, I beg. I want food that looks nice, and proper and well presented. That is the reason why we are having a family content. Thank you, my famies. Please, as I'm talking, make sure that you like, subscribe, comment, and share the video. I really appreciate it. Makes us to grow. And for those who have subscribed, thank you once more again. Now back to the thingy. Like it's about Poloni. I got wa saranga be Poloni banna. Aish maragar malapa like ani. Let me not go there. So ke Poloni. I don't understand why videos are on napa okay. Yakute like yo, sorry, my family. I think this part I was supposed to edit it nicely so that everyone can see that I'm chopping polony. Okay, I made it in 2 pieces because I polony lona ina me goto no cry the plate do kare. Hey, what's our king? I could say with the plate and we are saving. Life is expensive. Our kata polonu karo kata na batho ba bangwe ba kata polonu ta ba balla. But slices was ska kata polony. I chabe polony. Eat it nicely. We kata gabotse. Tolo kata polonu kare o paka o foroma ditena. Le na monna motho ka se le beach ka se le invite ka re molo motho o thwadile slices ka sa poloni o ka re ke first brick. So ke nna mala ke paka ga botse ka rang plate le maya ka le a bona ra skono a botsana. Ke thoma o paka mushroom elaka. Does it look like a poison? No? Does this mushroom look like a poison? No? It doesn't look like a poison, Aker. Because why? We didn't overcook it. It shows that this is a mushroom and I will be eaten nice and nicely so. Yo, la peng dilo ja botse and motho a present as if there is no tomorrow. To a tshotse re sa tse boreng sopo ena metse bohobe or sopo e dikulwa plate. Ke tlo le bolalena. Nka se dia content la talape ya dijo tša mohuto ke tlo tshwara motho mo ka molala ka mokuka. So without any waste of time ke nna mola jwale re lata borotho ba rena kere and ngire le bona gore di shabo tša ka di ka plating ete ape my uncle doesn't like nonsense so nyaka lo tša in order. So we just dress like ase ntho a se bo mabina o tshola o kra motho a bona lofo shetjanyo go e betha le nape ba mbuditse gore lofo a borotho motho wa tsa keng e se fele a be happy until you finish that loaf of bread. Your heart will not be at peace. Please learn to eat proper this year. Eat normal. Eat normal. Eat like a human being. So kinamola cheese. You know we love cheese in this house. So I didn't want to put butter and spreading butter or margarine or whatever you're calling it. You know, today I change dilo ke hale cheese and lona wa bona re cheese ya ke halo ka re ke hafa. No, I'm not laying it as if I'm running. There's a snake chasing me. I'm laying it nicely with dignity and respect. I beg, right? I'm laying it the way my brother you are laying your intro. She came for the first time. You are laying your intro. You are telling her that, hey, when I see you, I see the stars. This is how you need to do things. And say, let's go with the flow. Way. I beg. So I'm done with my cheesy. It looks so pretty and cute. Presentation is the key. Femi's presentation is the key in this house. Make sure that your food are well presented and they look okay and nice. So we are done. So because today we were happy and we said let us accompany our breakfast with a little bit of fruit salad. Now I took I took yogurt of my favorite brand. You can take any of your favorite brand. It doesn't have to be my brand, so I'm not gonna showcase it. So ke mo like I tell her, yeah, Lena. So there's plum, but I decided not to put plum because already the grapes were enough. So I took my beautiful grapes, cut them into 2 pieces, to look cute. I mean, if you're a girl and the guy just came over, you are doing things for the first time, you can't take 0 while there's delicious family content. Come on, my family, you can't fade in this one because you quickly go there, subscribe and like and copy the content and say, boy, I got your back. I got your back. This is the reason why 2014 we must have more marriages, more, because, hey, they say the best way of winning this person is through the stomach, not through so anyway, we were done with the food. I present everything is there, the dessert or the starter there, the fruitsy, and with a little bit of sesame seed. This is my palani eggs and whatsoever. These are 3 slices, okay? My bread is 3 slices, just that the way it looks like there's too much, but anyway, this is the breakfast that we had. I hope you enjoyed this content. Until we meet again, thank you very much for watching. Continue to like, subscribe, comment and share the video. Another thing, my good family members, please, if you see some adverts, sometimes don't skip them. Don't skip the ads if possible. I would really appreciate that part. So without me wasting any of your time, may God bless you, bless your family, increase in everything that you post.